Hello everybody! Today we're going to share a diversity rap. But first we're going to practice different sounds with boots and cats. Wow, look at these colourful boots. A diversity of colours on these boots. There's lots of different colours. When you see this picture, I want you to try saying this. Boots. Boots. It's a bit like saying boots, but you're making the B sound a bit more. Let's try it together. After 3. 1, 2, 3, and boots. 1, 2, 3, and boots. Good. 1, 2, 3, and boots. Yay! Give yourselves a big massive round of applause. Well done, well done, well done. Well done, everybody. Great work, great work. This time, should we try it with the teachers? Maybe if your teachers are looking a little bit like this, then it might mean they need a little bit of help. So let's help our teachers. Ready, teachers? After 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and boots. 1, 2, 3, and boots. Yay. 1, 2, 3, and boots. Fantastic, well done. Well done, teachers, well done, teachers. Although I'm sure one of you made it sound a bit like rather than boots. But let's move on to the next sound. Oh, look at these cute cats. Now, when you see this picture of these cats, I want you to say kits. It's a bit like saying cats, but you're making the k sound a little bit harder. So instead of saying cats, you're going to go kits. Let's try that together. Ready, everybody? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and kits. 1, 2, 3, and kits. Good. 1, 2, 3, and kits. Perfect. Well done, everybody. Give yourselves another big round of applause. Okay, yes, well done, everybody. Now let's get ready to perform. Everybody now. Don't forget the boots and cats, and repeat each line after me. Diversity, diversity, different things for you and me. Diversity, diversity, different things for you and me. Quiet voice or really loud. We're diverse and really proud of our skin and our hair. There's lots of things that we share. Hobbies and different sports. We respect different thoughts. We love to learn and play. And use sounds in different ways. Diversity, diversity, different things for you and me. Diversity, diversity, different things for you and me. We have different features, like the toppings on our pizza. answers. Fruit and veg help us grow. We are super and it shows. In the snow or summer sun, diversity is really fun. We respect our place of birth. Peace and love on planet Earth. Diversity, diversity, different things for you and me. Diversity, diversity, different things for you and me. At our primary school, diversity is really cool. At our primary school, diversity is really cool.